In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar, then type View Network Connections and press Enter. In the window that opens, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4, then click the Properties button. In the next window, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. This switches your connection to a more reliable DNS, which can fix common internet access issues. Once done, click OK, then close. If your internet is still not working, continue to the next step. Click the search icon again, type Run, and press Enter. In the Run box, type ipconfig/flush DNS, then click OK. This clears your DNS cache, which may resolve conflicts preventing internet access. After that, restart your computer and check your connection. If the issue persists, click the search icon, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Expand network adapters by double-clicking it. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver. If you're not sure which one is your Wi-Fi adapter, go back to the View Network Connections window and check the exact name listed under the Wi-Fi icon, then match it here. Now select Search automatically for drivers and allow Windows to install any available updates. Once the process is complete, restart your computer again. If you're still experiencing the issue, click the search icon, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type netshi winsock reset and press Enter. This resets important network components that may be causing the problem. Restart your computer one final time, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and your internet connection should now be working properly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.